అన్నయ్య చూడు, ఎంత పెద్ద వాన. ఆవు కూడా తడుస్తోంది. ఇంకా చూద్దాం.
Here you go, fresh and hot.
Thank you, Amma. It's so yummy.
The rain reminds me of a story.
A story. Please tell us.
Yes, Grandma, we love stories.
I'm going now.
Be safe, my love.
Bye, Papa. Come back soon.
Travel well, son.
This is so fun. Yeah, let's race. I'm gonna win. No way.
I'm back. Look at this big fish.
Oh, it's wonderful, thank you.
Wow.
Watch how I clean the fish.
It's so shiny, Amma.
Yes, now for the inside.
The curry is simmering nicely. The rain makes it even more comforting.
Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.